Hey guys, Mrs. Sayers here today. I'm going to teach you a quick tutorial on how to do area multiplication with a 2x2 problem. So today we're going to be doing 23 by 52. The first thing that we've got to do is we've got to break up both of these numbers into their tens and their ones. So first let's look at 23. So 23 has two tens that we put as 20, okay, and three ones that we put as 1. Now these two numbers also need to float down to the bottom, and they need to be down here as well. So let's put 20 and 3 down here as well. Now let's pull apart the 52. There's 5 tens, which is 50, okay, and there's 2 ones. So I'm going to put the 2 ones down here. Now just like we did with the other two numbers, these two numbers are going to float over to the side, and they're going to be over here. Okay, now we're going to do the multiplication, and it's easy to know what numbers you're going to multiply. You just look at the numbers that are outside of the boxes. So when I'm looking at this first box, I'm going to multiply 50 times 20. All you need to do is multiply your real numbers and add the zeros back on. So let's multiply 5 times 2. That will give me 10. And then I still see 2 more zeros hanging out over here that I'm going to put on the end to make it 1,000. When I come over here, I'm going to multiply 3 times 50. Again, let's multiply our real numbers. 3 times 5, which we know is 15. And then let's add that 1 0 on that's hanging out here to make it 150. Let's come down here and do this box. We're multiplying 2 times 20. Let's multiply the real numbers. 2 times 2, which is 4. And let's add this 0 back on that's hanging out on the outside. For our last box, all we've got to multiply is 3 times 2, which we know is 6. So now I've got all 4 of these numbers, and it's important that I line them up straight and I add them. I always go from biggest to smallest. So I'm going to start with 1,000. Then I'm going to add 150. Then I'm going to add 40. Then I'm going to add 6. Make sure you line your numbers up correct, or else you're not going to get the right number. All right, zeros plus 6, that's 6. 5 plus 4, that's 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down my 1,000, do my comma cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, comma, and I'm done.